Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing with you how I make tuna sisig. The ingredients are listed below. Start by draining out tuna flakes from a can and sauteing it in a shallow pan with oil until it is dried out and is toasty. Continue sauteing until it reaches this stage. And immediately add the chopped onions and chopped garlic and saute it once again until it has wilted. When the onions is translucent in stage, you may add pepper and salt, followed by the liquid seasoning, and stir it once again to incorporate everything. You may continue stirring it until you get your desired crispiness, or you may serve this as is. Or add mayonnaise and mix it up to make the texture creamy. And don't forget to put pork rinds or chicharon and add chopped green chilies on top. And you may now serve your tuna sisig. Enjoy!